Let's have a look at some good anticipation setups. Good anticipation setups allow you to make money. Like this was an anticipation setup which I had in my list yesterday. And if you see, the stock made 12% move in the day itself, and you could get in with a very low close stop. So finding setups like this ahead of their breakouts can help you get into setups with a very close stops and profit from moves, explosive moves like this. So in order to find setups like this, I've detailed many times the method which I use, and here is a list of setups which I'm watching for today. Like I'm watching CMTL. If you see, like this stock has been up, and this is a very orderly consolidation from which it can break out. STX, again high price stock, going sideways here. Very fast, like see here, gapped up and then like consolidating in a very tight range. For a $90 stock, it had like only was up less than 11 cents. So these are the kind of stocks where you can put in a stop, buy stop here somewhere, and then if it triggers, you can get a move which can be a big move, and you can make a lot of money in a short period of time. VWA system, again another one. SCA, which is going sideways a little bit like SPSC, that's another one which is setting up nicely. DDS, this looks like a more a pullback kind of a thing after earnings, and very nice setup here. 13 cents was all that it was down yesterday, and if it gets going, you're looking at around $8 to $9 move. Wing stop. Then there's Broadridge Financial Solutions, again like you'll see that very orderly pullback. Aspen, Planet Fitness, recent earning was good, and then now a very orderly setup. SCCO, then there is MMI, Marcus Millichamp, again setting up very nicely, was down only 17 cents. 35.59 is the price, so that gives you a very close stop. This is another one which is very nice, was down only 9 cents, holding up well while the rest of the technology stocks were going down. This is an IPO, Chinese IPO, very nicely setting up. And then you have IMMR. So if you want to find setups like this, then set up the anticipation method, set up the scans for it, which I've detailed multiple times on this site or on YouTube videos, and then you can find setups like this. And if you find setups like this, then you can make money like this, where like with a very close stop you can make 10-12% in a day, and you can find 800-900 good quality setups like this in a year. So it's just a question of, if you're motivated enough to make money, then just set up the method, and the scans and all the details are on the website, are on in YouTube videos are done. So if you're serious about making money, then study setups like this and set up scanning methodology for setups like this, and you can mint money every day.